to kiwi. All right. So they work very, very, very well as kiwi. They also look like camel balls.
And we live.
Hey leaders, I'm Jahan. I'm an entrepreneur that's built multiple successful businesses. If you want to learn how to become a successful leader, come with me and I'll show you how.
It's good to be weird because people don't like normal. Like, if people wanted to see normal, they wouldn't be watching YouTube. They wouldn't be looking for people that are different online. Most people in the world are normal. That's why everyone wants to find something that's not normal, something that's different, something that's unique. And that's why that's why YouTube, like people that are weird on YouTube, for example, what's that guy on YouTube that is really popular? He was like the first really popular one on YouTube. I think it was PewDiePie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I saw his videos.
I've seen like I think 2 of his videos, like 30-40 seconds in, but he's like, he has this this phrase and he acts just really weird, really weird, and it's completely abnormal, but that's what gets people's attention because it's weird, it's different. Like if you're too normal, then that's boring. People don't care about normal. People don't care about boring. Like, no one's gonna be like, oh wow, that's a normal person. That's interesting. Like, no one gives a shit.
That's
like
funny.
This tape.
No, that's true.
There's nothing special about this tape. It's just tape.
I know.
But if you look at, like you know the OtterBox cases for your phones?
OtterBox? What is the case?
Yeah, it's like a case like this. This is similar to the OtterBoxes. Basically, it's like a case like this where it's all the way around and it's like cushions your phone and everything.
Okay.
So one of the OtterBox case advertisements, the first ones, before, cases used to be really bad. They would just be a thin piece of cheap plastic, which it was just too normal and it was too fragile. So everyone had a common problem with it. So what OtterBox did is they made a case you can literally drop from the top of a building and the phone would be fine. That's how OtterBox got popular. Like, you could drop it from the top of a building or from top of your shelf or anything like that. And then they started making really nice cases, and that's how their entire company started, because they were different. Because they would use examples of extraordinary, ridiculously stuff, like throwing a phone off of a building. Like, how many times are you going to go up to the top of a building and just throw your phone off of it? But it still gets people's attention because it's different. Obviously, that's not very extreme, not a very extreme example, but it works. Like, it definitely got people's attention. Like, if you throw off your phone off the building and then it's fine, well, what else could happen? There's not much else that can happen. Oh, and then another one, they drove over it with a car.
Okay.
And then that one, it was fine too. Like, they pick up the phone and they use it with no problem.
Wow.
Yeah, the cases are really good, but that's how they get their attention. And on YouTube, it's no different. On everything else in business or building anything, it's no different. You have to be engaging, attractive, and attention grabbing. Because if someone's boring, it's not going to attract their attention. It's not going to be attention grabbing. It's not going to be interesting. It's just going to be, they're there. It's like this piece of tape. No one cares about tape. It's just tape. It works or it doesn't. But that's not what people watch YouTube for. That's not what people get courses for. That's not what people do. Like, everything on the internet, if you look at it, everything that works is different. It's not normal. Yeah. It's not the same. What are you doing?
I like to do this on
Weirdo. Anyways.
That was stupid. That was very stupid of me.
Anyways, everything on the internet is different. It's attention grabbing. It's engaging. If you look at an advertisement that's boring and interesting and attention grabbing and weird, which one are you gonna pick? It's obviously gonna be the one that's attention grabbing and interesting. If something's normal and boring, it's like, if you saw a advertisement for tape, would you buy tape or would you buy something like, for example, okay, here's another example. Perfect example. We sell kiwi. Buy the kiwi. There we go. Kiwi.
Actually, this would be better. We sell cold flu. You have a cold.
No.
Get it.
That's not what I'm getting at. That's actually not a good example. So I was going to use this compared to another ad.
Oh, okay.
So you can say, here's this kiwi. It's organic. It's gold what is it? Gold kiwi fruit is our brand. Organic. Okay? That's obviously boring. That's what most normal stuff is. But you could instead do something like this. See these two kiwi? Oh shit, I dropped it. Okay, not what I meant to do.
Well, it mushed.
Oh, I mushed it. Okay. Alright. See these two kiwi? See this one's mushed right here. Okay, pretty mushed. But beside the point. See these two kiwi? We have two kiwi right here. Alright, two kiwi. Alright? So they work very, very, very well as kiwi. They definitely grab your attention. They also look like camel balls.
That's so gross.
Have you seen a camel? Have you seen their balls? They look like camel balls. These camel balls are delicious. Amazing, delicious camel balls. Buy these camel balls, they're organic and they taste really, really good. Eat camel balls. So which one grabs your attention more? The first one or the camel balls?
No, the other one, the gross balls.
Exactly. Because it's different, it's weird, it's not normal. It's not something you would normally see. Most people don't say eat camel balls. But well, I cracked the camel ball in half.
You did?
Yeah. So that's what you want to do in your videos. That's what you want to do in your course. Because no one wants to see someone that's boring. And I've noticed that you've been getting better at that on your YouTube. So just keep that up and keep being yourself.